Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to save a Word document as PDF. This is actually quite simple, and in my opinion it's better than using an online tool because I don't have to upload my data to the internet and don't know what's being done with it. I now open Word and have a lot of text here. To save my Word file as a PDF, I click on the File tab, and from here I have two options. The first function did not exist in the past, but now I simply click on Save As, and here I have only three things to do. First, the location for my PDF. Then I have to assign a name. And now I just have to change the file type to PDF. Then I click on Save, and I have my PDF on the desktop. The second option is again on the File tab. And this time, however, I click on Print, and in the printer selection I change this to Microsoft Print to PDF. Now I click on Print, have to set a name for my new PDF file, and click on Save. And this way I also save this file on the desktop. And as we can see, this worked well. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.